How to connect Shopify with Amazon step-by-step tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be connecting our Shopify with our Amazon in the easiest way. So to start things off, what we are going to want to do is we're going to go to our Shopify and we're going to come to our Shopify's apps channel. And once you come to your apps channel, you're going to click on all recommended apps and go to Shopify App Store. Now, once you go to your Shopify App Store, here what you're going to do is you're going to search Amazon up here. Okay, and just simply search Amazon. Here we go. Now, it depends on what kind of things you want to do. When it connects to connecting your Shopify with Amazon, you can either add a free channel from Amazon, which is basically an Amazon channel where you can sell on Amazon. So you can either do that, or it's Amazon Importer, which basically imports Amazon's products into your store, which is basically for your drop shipping. And then there's the Amazon reviews where you can import reviews from Amazon. So basically it depends on whatever theme you want. If you want to just sell on Amazon through Shopify, then do CED commerce. If you want to import products, go with Amazon Importer Spreader or AutoDS. And finally, if you want to import reviews, just go with your easy Amazon reviews importer or a Reputon Amazon reviews, which was specifically built for Shopify, and you're good to go. So yeah, that's how you're going to connect Shopify with Amazon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.